Have you ever wondered why it feels like your phone knows you better than you know yourself? Or why your deepest thoughts suddenly appear as ads on your screen? This isn't coincidence. It's a new form of power shaping your identity, your choices, your desires, without you even noticing. Surveillance capitalism isn't just about data. It's about control, about turning human experience itself into a commodity. Sociologist Shoshana Zuboff calls it a coup from above, where corporations quietly claimed the right to monitor, predict, and shape behavior. Not by force, but by seduction. Convenience became the bait, our attention became the currency, and our autonomy became the price. But how did we get here? Think back to the Industrial Revolution. Factories claimed our physical labor. Then, the information age. Companies claimed our time and communication. Today, we live in the era of data extraction. Platforms like Google, Meta, TikTok began not only observing our online actions, but predicting our next move and nudging us toward profitable behaviors. Zuboff describes this as an evolution from monitoring to behavioral modification. You search, they watch. You hesitate, they track. You click, they profit. Contemporary sociologists like David Lyon argue we now live in a surveillance society where tracking is normalized. Michel Foucault warned us decades ago about the panopticon, a system where constant visibility produces self-policing. Today, we don't just fear someone watching, we internalize the watcher. We edit our lives to the algorithm, curating a self not rooted in truth but performance. And while the West frames this as technological progress, Muslim scholars like Al-Farabi and Ibn Khaldun remind us that society shapes the soul. Ibn Khaldun's concept of asabiyya, social cohesion, teaches that civilizations collapse when power manipulates people and erodes trust. Imagine what happens when technology fractures community, isolates individuals, and replaces human bonds with digital metrics. Early Muslim thinkers saw knowledge as a pathway to ethical growth. Today, knowledge is mined for profit. The Quranic principle, do not spy, isn't just moral advice, it's a protection of dignity. A reminder that humanity requires boundaries, privacy, and spiritual integrity. When everything becomes data, nothing remains sacred. So ask yourself, who are you when algorithms decide what you see, what you want, who you become? Are you choosing or being chosen for? If you believe your humanity is worth more than your data, don't just scroll. Share this message. Question the system. Protect your mind. And reclaim your right to think, feel, and live without being watched.